Huh? The top's not going to snap. The top would have snapped in a windstorm, but not if it's being cut.
If it starts swaying like this?
Well, for it to sway enough for it to snap, it's going to have to be all the way over. If it goes that far over, it's done.
Yeah, I don't think this top's going to snap.
No, the top won't snap.
Okay, so where are you guys going when I start cutting?
It's going to fall this way.
I'm going to go way up there.
It's going to fall this?
It's going to fall anywhere from that way, anywhere to about this.
You're going to get Bruin out of the way.
Look, as long as it doesn't land on me, I'm fine.
Don't worry about my game plan, I worry about your game plan. Heard that. Carol, give me an analysis.
All right.
Which way? Hey, this way right, my left, which way to go? On your right. Okay.
Oh man.
Reach back on the table, boys!
There you go, it's awesome. Let's do it.
Bangarang, Rufio!
Bangarang, Rufio! Bangarang!
Dang, I want.
Doing it, Peter! Jump,
Yeah, that was awesome.
How do you feel, Jump?
Yeah,
That's where we wanted it. That's where we knew it was all along. We weren't back, like scaredy cats.
Yeah, breakfast for lunch for everyone.
Hinge was a little high. Hinge was a little high.
The what?
Hinge.
That was awesome.
How long was it?
You can see how far I went into
Dude,
it.
it made a pretty clear shot down,
Yeah,
too,
it
right?
did.
That was perfect.
That was a great. Yeah.
Mark, do you have any idea how long it would have taken to clean that if it was here?